Hi guys, it's Petr. So I'm recording a new episode from my live RNG Roulette play. So what you can see now, this is the statistic from the first 62 spins, and I'm using again my Black Pirate app, but let's go back to standard mode. So if I enter now the 60 spins, you see then I received the predictions. So I already played few more numbers, so I will enter these numbers, and what you can see then, I currently develop new algorithm, which you can see here, like AI, which means artificial intelligence algorithm. I'm now just testing this algorithm because that's curious. I'm curious how this can work. I came to the idea how I can develop it, so it took me some time to understand the algorithm and put it into the play for roulette. So therefore now it's here and I'm testing that. So you will see, I will try in this live session. I'm recording also the audio in the same time like video, so I don't know how the session will go, but I will use 20 cents because like a base bet, because it's just, let's say, trial around also for me with artificial intelligence algorithm, this one here. And what you can also see, then I made a withdrawal, we already know from the previous video, and now I'm playing with 1000 bankroll. You can also join me and enjoy this journey. But also what you know, then I decided then I will play on public table Sunday 10 p.m. German time approximately, not always 10 o'clock but plus minus this time, and approximately 60 minutes or 1 hour. I will play in public table, so anyone can observe me, how do I play, what I'm doing, or if there is a free spot you can join and bet on the same numbers. But be careful, as always, I cannot guarantee you a profit, or then I will always win, because also I can be then after the 60 minutes on public table I will be in a drawdown, so that's absolutely normal and can happen. So but you can join me and see how do I play and approach the roulette with my Black Pirate app and algorithm. So as I said, right now I will play my artificial intelligence algorithm. So it says then we should bet on 18, 34, 17 and 22. So, and what is also big difference is then you can see now I'm playing 3 spins and 10 levels. So it's just again a test how this might work, and simply after 3 spins I will change the numbers. In total I will play 10 rounds of 3 numbers. You can see now then these first 3 numbers were not successful, so and I received new prediction for the new numbers. So it's bit, let's say, you have to enter relatively often new numbers, but that's life. Let's see whether this can work. Now we won, that's cool, and algorithm is providing again the same numbers, so let's bet on them and see whether we can make it again. As I said, this is a newly developed artificial intelligence algorithm, so let's see how this will work. It's for me also the trial test, and I also change the spins and SP levels. So you can see now then after 3 spins I'm receiving new numbers. That's okay. Base bet is still the same because we just went through 3 spins. That's fine. It's not need to change that. And observe the table how this will go. And as I said, this is live session, so I don't know the outcome, so I'm recording the audio in the same time, so together with videos. So also chaos is working quite well, as we can see now. So I think I received new numbers, but numbers seems to be the same. That's okay, can be if the coefficients are the same, which I'm calculating for artificial intelligence. Simply after 3 spins not much change, so therefore you can receive the same numbers. This is quite okay and normal. okay, 29. So now I received the, let's say, new numbers, so I will bet now 10, 28, 14 and 26. I should already bet 30 cents based on the money management, so let's do it. And 26 came, this is good. Successful. So now again, energy 1, I receive again new numbers, so I will go back to 20 cents, bet on 8, 10, 28 and 14. And you might ask why I'm developing, let's say, new algorithms. I have to say that I'm quite satisfied with velocity numbers and fractals. This is quite good, and also Well-No X, all three quite good, and I play them. But I always curious about new things and new approaches, whether we can even have a better chance and increase our probability to win. So therefore I try new approaches and develop even new ideas about algorithms. So that's my motivation, so always try something new and see how it works. But I think I'm mostly stabilized these algorithms. I found one of the best what I can see, so for me it's now I wanna just use them and hopefully have a profit with these algorithms. So far it's quite, let's say, interesting and running well. Now we also hit our numbers, so you can see now the risk reward ratio is 4:0 for cows. Algorithm is even more, 5:0, so interesting. So now I receive a new prediction, so I should bet on these 4 numbers. Let's see how this will go now. So I will record, let's say, maybe 15 minutes of this live plays, because I want to see how the new artificial intelligence algorithm will work. And as I said, I also changed the spins to 3 and 10 levels, which means every 3 spins I change the numbers based on the prediction. Now you can see numbers change completely, so I have to bet on completely different numbers. Next 3 spins. Yeah, currently the most successful algorithm is cows algorithm, so let's see how this will go also for artificial intelligence algorithm. So we can see now then we pass 2 times 3 numbers, which means we are already burned 2 levels from 10, and now I receive new numbers, so I will bet again 4 numbers which I received, and let's see whether we can, maybe we can see now then 27 is coming quite often. So I should stop because I have to increase my bet for 10 cents per number based on the money management rules. And actually a lot of numbers repeating, 27, 19, which is not nice. So I receive again new 4 numbers, so I will now bet on 26, 24, 5 and 8. As I said, this is a trial round testing whether what makes more sense, whether play spins 3 or 10. Currently we can see that Cow Story has a nice time for this table. It's generating nice profit and risk ratio, already 8:0. And we can see now then the 5 numbers covered 33% and 8 numbers didn't come, so might be then velocity numbers could have a little bit tough time, might be. So we also currently passed 4 levels, it's okay, that's normal. So I will bet now 11, 17, 3 and 27. let's see how this will go. 27 we hit, so it was good. Then we changed the numbers, and what I have to do now, you can see that I received the same numbers because it was immediately hit. But anyway, I have to go back because we won, so I decrease my base bet. Yeah, number 7 is also nice, but we are playing 27 and 17, so I'd like to see. Okay, number 11 is also good number, right, for us. So currently 6-0 risk over ratio. So let's try one more round, and then maybe I'll stop the recording for 10 minutes. I just wanted to give you the hint then what I'm working on and what I currently use for playing. As I said, this idea to change numbers after every 3 spins, simply that's a test, but maybe it gives some more variability to play than waiting 8 spins for 4 numbers. So now you can see then we finished that, but I think I'm playing still the same numbers because my algorithm calculated the similar ratios for these 4 numbers for artificial intelligence algorithm. So let's see next numbers that we can hit. We are playing 35, 15 and 25 game. Chaos, you can see now the chaos algorithm is really now the best one, 11-0, so this algorithm has a very nice time, I would say, on this table. And now I will play another round with the same bet, and now you can see that I should increase my base bet to 30 cents. And number 1. Yeah, currently you can see that the algorithm is not providing new numbers because it's obviously still these 4 are the best from the algorithm point of view. Yeah, that's funny, then I'm playing 35 and 15 and 5 and 25 games, so it's a bit funny. So now 24. Okay, so it looks that I'm receiving same numbers because of the calculation background. So I will stop recording now and then see. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.